Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can change your Apple ID without losing your data in iOS 18 upgrade or in 2025. So what you need to do is Apple just made it things very easy. What you need to do is just go to the settings, and after going to the settings you need to go to the general option here and you swipe up, and you can see that there is a transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it and prepare for a new iPhone. What it will do, it will automatically back up all the data within the Apple servers, and when you setting up your new phone, and it will automatically transfer everything for you. But I recommend you to make sure that everything you have into your phone must be manually backed up. If your iCloud storage is not enough, you should manually back up all of your photos, data, or applications. But this is how it's done. Another way is if you go to here and just go over your Apple ID top above corner, and as you can see that there's a sign out option. You need to sign in your new ID, and once you go to your new ID you need to transfer your app and purchases here. And what you need to do is just go for the media purchases and apps, and majority of the apps will transfer into your new Apple ID, and that's how the things are done. I hope you like the video, and if you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to figure out an upcoming video for you, and have a good day. Bye bye.